Okay, big dogs, we're at it again. So we've got our lovely lights, hopefully you can see that. So we need to go to the Bluedriver app. Let's reset that, baby. Okay, so that's something I'll show you in a bit, because that's what I said I was going to show you. So let's read codes. This will stop activity. Okay, can you guys see? Okay, continue. Okay, pending code. So we got our PO, hopefully you guys can actually see that. So P0852, park neutral switch, input circuit high. Okay, so let's clear them. I think it's a clear them anyway. Sorry, yes, that's gone, as you guys can see. So there we go. So we got no lights there on the dash, and this is what I wanted to show you today. So I needed to clear the codes, but I thought I'd show you this live data. Okay, so cool. So here we go. You can add more. So short trim, so fuel system status. Some of these don't work if you don't have the corresponding sensor. So I don't have like an oil temperature sensor, so that like doesn't work for me, for example, but might not even have that. The best quality, okay. Okay. Well, there we go. So intake air temperature, that's pretty cool. So we've added that, and then I'll show you when you drive along that this camera's probably not going to pick it up, but we'll we'll see if you can see stuff happening. Okay, engine RPM doesn't mean much because you've got a gauge there and stuff, but it was more just to show you guys. So I suppose if you have an oil temperature sensor and all that kind of stuff, you're okay. Sorry guys, yeah, I was getting used to the new clutch. Is a bit of a monster. You see that little monster back there? So yeah, hopefully you guys can see. Okay, yeah, I'm still running it in, so I'm nearly at my 1,000 miles. I don't know if you guys can see the speedo there. So nearly at my 1,000 miles. So that's going in next week. And can you see, like, if you drove with this over an extended period of time, you can graph the data and stuff properly, well, like, eventually. So yeah, so I think that's pretty much where I'm going to leave you guys. It's only a little quick video, but as you can see, it starts doing like a trend, and you could look at it later and see like your driving style, how much RPMs you're sitting at, and all that kind of stuff. I find it pretty cool in the running process, and you might find it cool in your day-to-day with your car, just depending on what you like, as if you're quite pedantic with things like that and stuff. But yeah, you got some pretty cool stuff on here, and you have to have the supporting sensor for the check, and it will just tell you, it'll error out basically, or you'll get a 0. But yeah, pretty cool app, really enjoying it. And leave me to it, I'm pretty much hunching over here to try and show you guys as much as I can because the weird camera setup. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Enjoy, guys.